Hello and welcome back to my channel AlphaBasics, a channel for various competitive exams. I have uploaded more than 750 videos. Regularly I upload long and short videos. In my channel you will get lots of mathematical reasoning questions, number puzzle, number analogy and lots of competition oriented questions. So do watch, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel AlphaBasics. You will get lots of help for your various exams. If you will browse my channel, you will get lots of this type of number analogy problem. So this is a number analogy problem where we have 92:49 is equal to 28 is to, we have to find out this number and the 4 options are given. So I have explained several times that in this type of question we first try to solve this part, and once we are able to solve it, we implement the same process in order to get the answer in this part. First of all, you have to try to get 49 out of 92. Once you are able to solve it, you have to apply the same process over here in order to get the result. So 92 and 49. See, 49 you have to pick in this manner, like straight away if you are getting some sort of square numbers given, so think in that point. Now this 49 we are observing, so we will think accordingly. Now 49 means what? This is 7 square. 7 into 7 is 49. So we will think keeping in this aspect. So looking in this two numbers, whether we can derive 7 out of this this number? Yes. How we can derive? See, if you will pick 92, just the digit 9 and 2. Just write down and then subtract. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, and then just square 7. So this is 49, which is the desired number. So we will apply the same process over here. So 28 is given. Now what we will do? We will subtract 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So now what we have to do? We have to square it. So 6 square means 6 into 6. This is 36. So 36 is the answer. Many can raise the question, like here it is 9 and 2. I have subtracted 9 minus 2. So here 28. Why I have done 8 minus 2? Won't it be true if I'll do this one? Yes. In this way also you can proceed. So 2 minus 8 is what? Minus 6. Now you square it. Minus 6 square. So that means minus 6 into minus 6. So that comes, positive result will come. So here also it will come 36. So both the processes are correct. So any process you can adapt. So answer is option D. Next question, 196 is to 256 is equal to 169 is to what? We have to find out this number and the 4 options are given. So as usual, I have told you we will solve this portion and then we will implement over here the same process in order to get the result. Now several times I have told you, in this type of number analogy questions, you need to remember the squares of numbers, and whenever you see the squares of numbers or nearest squares of numbers, then it becomes very easy. This is a very straightforward question. You can easily try out. 196 is 14 square. 14 square is 196. 14 into 14 is 196. Now 256 is 16 square. 16 into 16 is 256. Now all of you know 169 is 13 square. So 13 into 13 is 169. So see, 14 square, 15 square. So they have skipped 15 square. Okay. So looking into the pattern, 13 square. So we have to skip this one, 14 square. So what is the immediate number? 13, 14, 15. So we have to do 15 square. That means 15 into 15 is 225. So this is the answer, option A. Next question, 55 is to 10 is equal to 65 is to what? We have to find out this number and the 4 options are given. So we will solve this one. We will try to derive 10 out of 55, and once we are able to do it, we will implement the same process in order to get the result. So as usual, see, 10 is quite less than 55. So we have to adapt that process where we can get smaller number out of bigger numbers. So what are the two options in order to get a smaller number out of bigger numbers? Either we divide it. So we will try out, see, we will take 55 and we will divide. Now as the number is 55, so we will pick a number which will divide it completely. Now don't pick a number which will left remainder. Then we will not be able to solve this one. So straight away that means we have to divide it by 5. So we can divide it by 11 also. Now we will first check with 5. Now 5, if we will divide it, it comes 11, and 11 minus 1 gives 10, which is given over here. We will try in a different way also. Suppose we are dividing it by 11. So it comes to 5. And if we will multiply with 2, then it comes 10. So both the way we are getting 10. Now we will proceed with both the method one by one, and we will adopt that method which suits our answer. So the first process, where we have divided 55 by 5, we will take this method. So we will pick 65 and we will divide it by 5. So it comes to 13, and we will subtract 1 from it. So this is 12. So 12 is given in the option. So I will keep for the time being this one, and we will check with this process. So what was the next process? We have divided with 11. Now 65 divided by 11 we will be able to proceed by this. Earlier I have told you, you have to select that number which will not leave remainder. Now if you will divide this one by 11, it will leave a remainder. Okay. So we are getting remainder. So in this process, this process we cannot adapt, as in this type of question, whatever process you are adapting in this portion and getting the result, you have to adapt the same process in this side also. So here this is okay when we are dividing it by 11, but here it is leaving remainder. So in this process we cannot adapt. So we have to adapt this process. So this is the correct answer. So answer is option D. That's all for today. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.